Welcome to the Time Administration Setup features in PROCAS Time. In this video, we'll look at sync setup data, default time charge codes, and export timesheet data. The sync setup data can be accessed from the side navigation. This feature synchronizes setup information from the accounting system into PROCAS Time, including personnel records, charge code information, timesheet periods, approval groups, approvers, and project approvers. The screen displays a history of synchronization runs, including the user who initiated the sync, the status, start date, and the amount of time the process took to complete. To run a new synchronization, click Sync Setup Data in the top right corner. The system will process setup information in the background and update with the latest information from the accounting system. Once the process completes successfully, a confirmation message will appear. You can also use filter controls to review previous sync activity. Next, we'll look at default time charge codes. This screen allows administrators to manage the default charge codes available to users when entering time on their timesheets. The list includes approval groups, personnel names, charge code descriptions, remaining hours, and end dates. At the top of the screen, you can filter the data using the Search field, Approval Group, Personnel Name, Projects, and Task filters. To assign or remove default charge codes, select or clear the checkboxes next to the desired rows. Checked rows indicate charge codes that are currently assigned as defaults, meaning the selected charge codes will always be displayed on the user's timesheet screen. After making your changes, click Save Changes to apply the updates. Next, we'll review Export Timesheet Data. This screen allows administrators to export timesheet information for payroll, accounting, or external processing. The list displays available timesheet periods along with the pay cycle, export status, and the number of timesheets included. To export all timesheet data for a timesheet period, click Export Full. Review the confirmation message carefully before continuing. Exporting a full period locks approved timesheets for that pay cycle and prevents further modifications. Click Export to continue or Cancel to return to the screen. You can also export a partial period by clicking Export Partial Period. Select a workdate range and, if needed, choose an invoice task to limit the export data. Click Export Partial Period to complete the export. This concludes the overview of sync setup data, default time charge codes, and export timesheet data. In the next video, we'll look at the administrative timesheet options available in PROCAS Time.